Hi guys, this is 5th class and in this class we are going to learn about cuosimodo pattern. This is very important and high winning ratio pattern. So we are going to use this pattern into our SMC strategy. So let's start and learn about cuosimodo pattern. So we know that in downtrend market make lower low and lower high. So according to our structure rule, this is our last support in downtrend structure. This previous lower high point is our last support in downtrend structure. So if market break and close above this last support, so it show violation of this downtrend. So it means that now market is in ranging. So market can go upside after breaking this lower high point. Basically this wave showing a weakness in downtrend because it is breaking its last support and structure. So if market reverse from this head and shoulder point and then again break above this higher high point, so it means that now we are in an uptrend, and this pattern is called cuosimodo pattern. If market break and close its last support and reverse from head and shoulder zone, so this is cuosimodo pattern. So let's suppose we are in an uptrend and market is making higher high, higher low and higher high, and it break its last support in structure. This is uptrend structure and this is higher low point. So higher low point in uptrend is last support. So this is break and close below this last support, and if market reverse from this head and shoulder point, so it means that this is cuosimodo pattern. So what is different between cuosimodo pattern and head and shoulder pattern? So let's suppose we are in an uptrend and market is breaking its last support and reversing from this head and shoulder zone. So this is a cuosimodo pattern. Okay, so if market is in an uptrend and reversing from this support and changing its trend direction, so this is head and shoulder pattern. Why? Because at this point market is not breaking its last support, but in cuosimodo pattern first market should break its last support and then reverse from this head and shoulder zone. So this is difference between cuosimodo pattern and head and shoulder pattern. So let's learn more about this. Let's suppose we are in a uptrend and here's higher low point and this is higher high point. So according to our structure rule, this is last support in structure. So if market break this last support, this is break and close below this last support, and market retracing, and at this point market need to break its lower low point. So this is cuosimodo pattern. Okay, this is uptrend, this is weakness in uptrend, and this is reversing from head and shoulder zone. So this is cuosimodo pattern. So let's see an example of cuosimodo pattern. Here you can see that this is higher high point, higher low point, higher high point, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So this is last support and structure. So at this point market is breaking and closing below this last support, okay, and reversing from this head and shoulder zone. So this is cuosimodo pattern. So after this market shift into a downtrend and this is break above this last support, and again market reversing from this head and shoulder zone, okay, and going at upside. So again this is reverse cuosimodo pattern. So at this point market is in a uptrend and this is break and close below this last support, and market is reversing from head and shoulder zone. So again this is an example of cuosimodo pattern. So this is sell trade cuosimodo pattern, and this is buy trade cuosimodo pattern, and this is again sell trade cuosimodo pattern. So that's it. Thank you.